Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. If you're a newcomer, new to the channel, normally we're smoking something up out there on the RecTeq, and whether it be a long smoke, something quick and hot and fast, I've got a lot of videos out there on a lot of cooks, but today we're going to be cooking up some chicken thighs and chicken thigh stir fry on the griddle. And we're gonna get this all prepped up and ready to go. And it's gonna be good. So let's go. Okay guys, before we get started out there on the griddle, I'm gonna take half of these chicken thighs and we're gonna use this. We're gonna use pickle juice and marinate those half those chicken thighs in pickle juice. Now, I've never done this before. We're going to see how it turns out. Word out there on the street is chicken filet. I mean, if you ever had chicken filet, you notice that pickle flavor in their chicken. So we're going to see what happens. Okay, got a few chicken thighs here in the bowl. Now all we're going to do is go ahead and dump pickle juice in. And we're going to let these chicken thighs marinate in this pickle juice for a few hours. And then we're going to be throwing them on the griddle. Okay, I've got the griddle turned on and heating up. I'll go ahead and spray her down a little bit with some avocado oil. We're going to get those chicken thighs on there. Down goes the chicken thighs. Get those spread out a little bit. We're going to get those seasoned up with a little tender salt, pepper, and garlic. And the other half of the chicken thighs we've cut up into little pieces. We'll go ahead and put that down. Then spread out. We're going to go ahead and put some salt, pepper, and garlic on these as well. I'm going to go ahead and put our veggies down. We've got some broccoli, some peppers, and some onions. We're going to let these cook a little bit, and then we'll be adding some mushrooms. Okay, these veggies, we're going to go ahead and give it this squirt of water around the edges here. Put this dome over the top. Let those steam a little bit. Our chicken thighs are starting to brown up there a little bit for us. And we'll make sure we check the internal temperature before we take those off. Got our veggies steaming. Got our little chunks. chicken over here. Everything's coming together. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning to these veggies here. Go ahead and add our mushrooms. Go ahead and spray some water around that and let it steam. Chicken's coming along. We'll be eating here in a few minutes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and throw these chicken pieces over here with our veggies and our mushrooms. Add some of our sauce. We're using today a Japanese style sauce. Taste it a little bit. First time we've tried it, but we thought we'd give this a try, see what it's like. I tasted it. Kind of tastes like a little bit of soy flavor to it and a little bit of sweetness. So we'll go ahead and put some of this on there. Cover this up with the dough again. Okay, these veggies are all done. We're going to go ahead and scoop these guys up. They're really looking good. I love this scoop. Hold a plate with one hand, just use this scoop with the other. I'll have a link down underneath the video if you want to check one of these out. Okay, let's go ahead and check on that chicken. Had one chicken thigh there, a little fatter than the rest, and he was a little behind on the cooking. The other little pieces are done. We'll check this guy. He's pretty close. We'll cover him up a little bit more. Go ahead and take these little pieces off. They're smelling good. So on this chicken, these chicken thighs, we're looking for 165, 170 degrees. Chicken breasts are normally 165. The thighs, you can get those a little bit hotter. Almost done. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this last piece of chicken off of here. We're going to go ahead and clean this grill up a little bit. Okay, here comes my favorite part, the taste test. Grab a knife here. I'm going to taste this chicken thigh first, the one we soaked in the pickle juice. Got me a little bite right here. That's good. The pickle flavor's coming through. It's tasty. Really good stuff. Now for the stir fry. We got thrown on some rice here. I'm gonna get me a little bite, see what it's like. Got me a little mushroom, a little rice, a little chicken. Good. Really good. I love that flavor. So guys, if you've never tried this, give it a try. It's all good. Really tastes good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.